Here we have the problem from differentiation, very short answer question. If y is equal to ax power n plus 1 plus bx power minus n, then prove that x square y double dash is equal to n into n plus 1 into y. So you take y is equal to a into x power n plus 1 plus b into x power minus n. So first derivative y is equal to a into this derivative of x power n. Generally derivative of x power n with respect to x is n into x power n minus 1. By using this formula here, you see this derivative n plus 1 into x power n plus 1 minus 1 plus b into here this derivative minus n into x power minus n minus 1. So y dash is equal to a into n minus 1, a into n plus 1 into x power plus 1 minus 1 cancel, x power n plus minus b into n into x power minus n minus 1. Okay, all of you. Then second derivative y double dash is equal to here a into n plus 1 into this is n into x power n minus 1 minus b into n into this derivative minus of n plus 1 common and x power minus n minus 1 minus 1. Okay, all of you. So y double dash is equal to here this is n into n plus 1, here n into n plus 1. N into n plus 1 as common. This is a into x power n minus 1. Minus into minus plus b into here x power minus n minus 2 is there. So you have to multiply on both sides x square, that is x square y double dash is equal to n into n plus 1 into this is a into x square into x power n minus 1 plus b into x square into y x power minus n minus 2. Okay, all of you, here bases are equal, add powers. N minus 1 plus 2, n plus 1 is there, x power 2 plus n minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Then x square y double dash is equal to n into n plus 1 into this is a into x power n plus 1 plus b into x power minus n. What is the value of this one? Y is equal to a x power n plus 1 plus b x power n minus 1. By substituting this one is equal to n into n plus 1 into y. Therefore, what we conclude that x square y double dash is equal to n into n plus 1 into y. So this is the result. X square y double dash is equal to n into n plus 1. So hence proved. Hence proved. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here one more problem from differentiation. If y is equal to sec of root tan x, then find dy by dx. So you see here y is equal to sec of root tan x is given. We have to find dy by dx, differentiation with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of here sec of root tan x. Okay, derivative of sec x, derivative of sec x is equal to what? Sec x tan x. Okay, all of you. So dy by dx is equal to this is sec of root tan x into tan of root tan x into derivative of d by dx of root tan x. Okay, all of you. So here this one. What is the root x value? Root x, derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. By using this formula here, dy by dx is equal to, this is sec root tan x into tan root tan x into this derivative of this one 1 by 2 root tan x into derivative of d by dx of tan x is there. Okay, all of you. Then dy by dx is equal to, this is sec of root tan x into, this is tan of root tan x into 1 by 2 root tan x into, what is the tan x derivative? Tan x derivative is secant square x. Tan x derivative is secant square x. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to sec of root tan x, tan of root tan x, 1 by 2 root tan x into secant square x is the derivative of y is equal to sec of root tan x derivative. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here we have one more problem from differentiation. Find the derivative of function f of x is equal to a power x e power x square. So here you see we have given f of x is equal to a power x into e power x square. Here given derivative f of x is equal to a power x into e power x square. Then this is in the form of, we have to find the derivative. Derivative of u into v is equal to u dash v plus v, u dash v plus, this is v into u dash, sorry, u into v dash. This is the formula for u into v method. Derivative of first function, v second function constant, and first function constant, derivative of second function. So here f dash of x is equal to derivative of a power x into e power x square. F dash of x is equal to derivative of a power x into e power x square plus, this is a power x as constant, derivative of e power x square. You see d by dx of a power x is equal to a power x into log a. Similarly, d by dx of e power f of x is equal to e power f of x is equal to, already f of x is g of x, you take d by dx of e power g of x is equal to e power g of x into derivative of g of x. This is the formula. So by using these formulas here, you can find the derivative. F dash of x is equal to derivative of a power x into log a into, this is constant, e power x square plus a power x into e power x square derivative e power x square. So derivative of x square. Okay, all of you. So f dash of x is equal to, this is a power x into log a into e power x square plus, this is a power x into e power x square into derivative of this is 2x. So both have a power x e power x square, a power x e power x square. So f dash of x is equal to what? A power x into e power x square as common. This is log a plus 2x is there. So let us, this is f of x. Are you? So what is the derivative of f of x? Derivative of f of x, f dash of x is equal to a power x into e power x square of log a plus 2x is the derivative of f of x. Okay, all of you. That's all. One more problem from differentiation. If f of x is equal to 7 power x cube plus 3x, where x greater than 0, then find f dash of x. Okay, all of you. Here we have given f of x is equal to 7 power x cube plus 3x, where x greater than 0. We have to find f dash of x. F dash of x means it is first derivative. So you take logarithm on both sides. Log f of x is equal to, this is logarithm of 7 power x cube plus 3x. Okay, all of you. We know that log x, d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x, and d by d and log a power m is equal to m into log a. This is in the form of log a power m is equal to m into log a. So derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. So we can use these formulas here. First, this is log f of x is equal to, this is log a power m is equal to m into log a. So x cube plus 3x into log 7. Okay, all of you. Then after you can derivative this one. Here this is derivative of this one. Log of d by dx of log x is equal to what? 1 by x. So d by dx of f of x is equal to 1 by f of x. F of x derivative f dash of x equal to, here log 7 as constant. Log 7 you write constant, d by dx of x cube plus 3x is there. Okay, all of you. Then what is f of x? F dash of x is equal to, by cross multiplication, this is f of x into, this is log 7 of derivative of this one, x cube derivative 3x square plus 3x derivative, x derivative 1, this is 3. Okay, all of you. Then here 3 is the common. You can take common outside. So f dash of x is equal to, you write here, that is f dash of x is equal to, f dash of x is equal to, here 3 is the common. So 3 common you take. This is 3 into and one more constant log 7 is there, log 7 into, and this is x square plus 1 of x square plus 1 into x square plus 7 1 into f of x This is the f dash of x. What is f of x? You have to write the f of x value. F dash of x is equal to, this is 3 into log 7 into x square plus 1 into f of x. F of x is 7 power x cube plus 3x. So this is the f dash of x. Derivative of f of x is f dash of x. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. So one more problem from differentiation. If x is equal to tan of e power minus y, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus e power y by 1 plus x square. So you see, all of you, we have given x is equal to tan of e power minus y. This can be written as, here tan of e power minus y is equal to x. So here e power minus y is equal to what? This is tan inverse of x. We know that derivative of d by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x. You remember this one. These are the formulas we know. By using these formulas here, derivative of e power minus y d by dx of is equal to d by dx of, this is tan inverse of x. So what is d by dx of e power minus y? E power minus y into y derivative minus 1 into y derivative dy by dx, or minus dy by dx is equal to, so this derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Then e power minus y can be written as minus 1 by e power plus y, e power y, minus, you write here minus 1 by e power y into dy by dx is equal to what? 1 plus x square. By cross multiplication, dy by dx is equal to, you can take minus into this side, minus e power y by, this is 1 plus x square. So this is the result. Okay, all of you, that's our dy by dx is equal to minus e power y by 1 plus x square is the result. That's all of you. Here we have the problem. If f of x is equal to log of sec x plus tan x, then find f dash of x. So you see, all of you, here f of x is equal to what? Log of sec x plus tan x. What derivatives here we required? So derivative of d by dx of log x is equal to what? 1 by x, and d by dx of sec x is equal to what? Sec x tan x, and d by dx of tan x is equal to secant square x. These are the formulas we can use here. So here, what is f derivative of f of x? F dash of x is equal to log x derivative 1 by, here sec x plus tan x into derivative of sec x into tan x plus derivative tan x, this is secant square x. Okay, all of you. So f dash of x is equal to 1 by sec x plus tan x into sec x as common. This is tan x plus sec x is there. So sec x plus tan x, these two are cancelled. Then what is f dash of x? F dash of x is equal to sec x is the answer. Okay, all of you, derivative of f of x, given f of x is sec x. That's all of you. Here we have one more problem from differentiation. If y is equal to cot inverse x cube square, y is equal to cot inverse x cube of whole square, then find dy by dx. Okay, all of you, here we have given y is equal to cot inverse x cube whole square. Okay, all of you. So dy by dx is equal to, this is d by dx of cot inverse x cube whole square. Generally this as x cube. Suppose d by dx of x square is equal to 2x. So this is dy by dx is equal to, here 2 into cot inverse x cube. Cot inverse x cube. Okay, all of you. Into d by dx of here cot inverse x cube. So, suppose cot inverse x derivative d by dx of cot inverse x derivative is what? Minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Then what is the derivative of this one? Dy by dx is equal to 2 into cot inverse x cube into this is minus 1 by 1 plus x cube whole square into d by dx of x cube is there. So d by dx, dy by dx is equal to 2 into cot inverse x cube. This is minus by 1 plus x power 6 into derivative of this one 3x square. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2 into 3 6 into x square into cot inverse x cube by 1 plus x power 6 is the derivative. This is the d by dx, dy by dx. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here one more problem from differentiation. If y is equal to log of sine inverse e power x, then find dy by dx. So you see all of you, we have given y is equal to log of sine inverse e power x. Sine inverse e power x. Then derivative of y dy by dx with respect to x is dy by dx. Derivative d by dx of this is log of sine inverse e power x. Okay, all of you. Then dy by dx is equal to this is 1 by sine inverse e power x into d by dx of this is sine inverse e power x. Why? Because this is why? Because log of 1 by x d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. D by dx of sine inverse x is equal to 1 by root 1 minus x square. Then dy by dx is equal to 1 by sine inverse e power x into 1 by root over 1 minus e power x whole square into d by dx of e power x. D by dx of e power x is equal to e power x. We know that. So, what is the final differentiation? Dy by dx is equal to 1 by sine inverse e power x into 1 by root over 1 minus e power x whole square into e power x. So, this is the differentiation of given f of x. Given y is equal to log of sine inverse x, sine inverse of e power x differentiation. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by sine inverse e power x into 1 by root over 1 minus e power x whole square into e power x. Okay, all of you. That's all.